Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add guests to Google Calendar using Google Forms. So first, you just need to create a Google form first. So I'm going to click on this blank form. Now you can add questions to your form. For example, here I'm going to go with name for the first question. Let's click on next. Let's try email, address, and now I'm going to ask the availability. Sorry. Okay, after you create the form, you can just open your Google Calendar, this one, and just create a new event in your Google Calendar for the event you want to invite the guest to. Okay, so for example, I'm going to create a new event in the next month, Friday. In here, you can just open, and here you can just create a new event. For example, event A, and now you can send the form to guests. Here you can click on save first, or you can also add the guest in here. This one, add the guest. Add this one. I'm going to add this one's in here. After you click on save, you can click on save, send. Now you can go to the Google Forms, and here you can click on send, copy the link. You can share it via email, social media, or other social media, or you can also add it into this Google Forms right here. Click on the event. Here you can edit the event, and here you can add the description. Here is the form. You can just click on insert link and tap the link in here. Now click on OK. Click on save again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the